Morinta Veelsan, Morinta Veelsan, Morinta Veelsan, Morinta Veelsan, Morinter Vellsane, Morinter Vellsane, Morinter Vellsane Arch, Morinter Vellsane Arch. Okay, so here I am at the mouth of the Morynta Vellsane or Morinter Vellsane Arch. So it starts right here, the arch shape, as you can see. As I said, it's all year round, but it's more pronounced during winter and early spring because there are no leaves on it, and you can get to see the patterns a lot more. With the leaves, it's not that obvious. So Morinta is given the name Morinta because it means a Veelsan or Vellsane arch that's formed between a golf course and the fields separated by a road, right? So there's the golf course, right? And the field is on that side. And this is the main road that separate them. So as you can see, the branches on this one are quite nice. The arch that it forms are quite nice. It's very narrow, like a tunnel, this one, which is nice. Sometimes they are broader, you know, and the trees are sometimes on either side. The trees are separated, sparsely separated from each other, so you don't get that nice clustered arch like shape. Unlike this one, it's a lot more pronounced. We're entering a part of the Vellsane that it's more vertical now. So you can see this part of the Vellsane arch is a lot more vertical than this bit. As you can see, it curves a lot better. But as we approach this side, the trees, maybe because they are now taller, so, and I think the branch lean this way too, so maybe that's why. As you can see, it's a lot more vertical. It's almost like a, a triangle. Yes, triangle with the hypotenuse, etc. Yes, the Morinta, Veelsan or Vellsane, or the term Vellsane arch. Now this isn't a long one, but it's an arch nonetheless. There's a wee gap here, see? What should I call it? The eye, the eye in the Vellsane. It's like an eye, that opening, peering to the sky. So I think this is a short Vellsane. I like this bit here, see it? It's we curve. And then there's this one upper one there. Let's turn and look this way. Maybe I'll have to go back this way to see what it's like going this way. I don't know. Let's see. Do this bit first. Let's go this way first. So it seems as if it's petering out just now. As you can see, this big gap start to open up. Maybe we're coming to the end, I think. Yeah. So there's a break in the Morinta. So the Braid Hill Morinta. I'm sure chances are there are loads more across Edinburgh and elsewhere. I'm sure there'll be other chance to see a Morinta somewhere. But I think it it, it it's broken now. It's finished. So let me see. Let me try from this side. Okay, I'm going the other way now. As you can see, the entrance there is no, well, the entrance is about here, but there's no tree on this side to match it really. Just that short one, as you can see, it's quite short. So it's the entrance to the Morinta from this end isn't well pronounced, but this is a better shape, see? Yeah. This is quite short, but I can guarantee you that you'll get a Morinta a lot longer than this one elsewhere. That's formed between a golf course and a field with a road separating them. It's nice. I like how straight it is. See that bit there. I think this is Veelcan. Okay. Beautiful. Got the arch. It's nice and curly there. Very. Okay, so here we are. Finish. Yes. There we go. Okay, so that was the end of the Morinta, going either direction. And as I said, chances are you'll find a lot longer ones than this one. This one's just a nice short one. But the Morinta is between the golf course and the field, and there's a road that help to separate the two. And there are loads of places in Scotland that you'll find that. Chances are you'll find longer ones, but I haven't come across any yet because I haven't been looking. But I'll keep my eyes open for chances of seeing another Morinta. Enjoy your day. Thanks for watching.